What is the difference between Ikea's Ektorp couch and their Uppland couch? Here's a side-by-side comparison of both these two couches along with a review of the Uppland sofa. Hey, I'm Roxanne here at Catholic Homebody, where I talk about all things home. Anywhere from DIY home improvement, homemaking, home decor, and homeschooling. So please subscribe if you would like to see some of more of those videos. So we're slowly starting to work on our living room, and replacing our couches was very high on our priority list. We've had our Ektorp couches for several years now, and when we bought them secondhand from Facebook Marketplace. So they're really old and they've been overdue for getting replaced. We were actually planning on replacing the Ektorp with other Ektorp couches, but in October of 2020, Ikea has discontinued their beloved Ektorp couches, and they did replace them with the Uppland series. So in order to have more color options, we decided to give the Uppland series a try. So although at first glance the Uppland sofas and the Ektorp sofas may look identical, they are in fact different sizes. Here, I'm going to show you the different dimensions between the Uppland and the Ektorp sofas. The Uppland's height to the backrest is 29 7/8 of an inch, and the height including the cushions is 36 1/4 inch. Ektorp's height to the backrest is 28 3/4 inch, and the height with the cushion is 32 1/4 inch. Uppland seat height to the top piping is 18 1/4 inch, with the extra plumpness 20 1/2 inches. Ektorp seat height is 16 1/2 inches with no extra plumpness. The armrest height on the Uppland sofa is 25 1/2 inches. Ektorp's armrest height is 24 inches. Starting from the back cushion, Uppland seat depth is 24 1/2 inches. Ektorp seat depth is 21 1/2 inches. Uppland seat width is 66 1/2 inches. Ektorp seat width is 66 inches. Uppland sofa's overall width is 86 1/2 inches. Ektorp's overall width is 84 3/4 inches. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the Ektorp and Uppland sofa. This is what it's like sitting on the Uppland sofa. I am 5'3" and my husband is 5'11". This is what it's like sitting on the Ektorp sofa. Now let's talk slipcovers. Here are the differences between the Uppland and Ektorp sofa slipcovers. Putting on the Uppland sofa's body slipcover part is slightly easier than the Ektorp slipcover. Often putting on the Ektorp slipcover, I would feel like I'm about to have to rip it just to pull it over, especially after freshly washing it. The body of the Upland slipcover definitely seems like a better quality that will hopefully last a lot longer than the Ektorp slipcover. The Ektorp slipcover material quickly deteriorated. It was made of this really super thin material that I could very easily rip. The Upland seat cushions have a definite front and back to it, where the Ektorp cushions do not. Another difference is the Upland seat cushions now have a zipper that goes around the majority of the cushion. The Ektorp's cushion zipper only went across the very back, and it made it a little tricky to get the slip covers on and off. Since the Ektorp and the Upland are different sizes, the slip covers are going to be different sizes as well. You would not be able to fit an Ektorp slipcover onto an Upland couch, but you could fit an Upland slipcover onto the Ektorp couch. It's just going to be larger. Here's what it looks like if you were to put an Upland slipcover onto the Ektorp. You can definitely see there's quite a bit of excess fabric and the cushions are pretty loose. Because of COVID, IKEA has been experiencing a huge delay in shipment of their products, including the Upland slipcovers. We literally waited 3 months just to get one slipcover, which was in a beige. According to an IKEA worker, it would have taken another several months for one of the two colors to come in, and even then that wasn't guaranteed. So we really wanted to hurry up and replace the two couches, so I did end up having to make my own slip covers. So real quick, what is your favorite couch color? Let me know in the comments below. Here is what the body of the Upland sofa looks like compared to the Ektorp. As you can see, the Ektorp is very old, worn, and dirty. Upland's cushions are definitely a lot more poofier. The Upland cushions are made of pocket springs, unlike the Ektorp. One of our Ektorp cushions were filled with goose feathers, which made cleaning the covers a total nightmare. As I mentioned earlier, our Ektorp couches were secondhand, so we did not have to assemble those. The Upland couches, however, we did buy brand new, and it was pretty simple and straightforward. Here's a clip of us unboxing the Upland sofa. So here's my overall review of the Uppland couch. So as a shorter person, I'm 5'3", I actually did not find the Uppland couch to be quite as comfortable as the Ektorp couch. It's hard for me to get fully comfortable, especially while nursing a baby when my feet are dangling like a toddler's. Although I feel like I still need to get used to the Uppland couches, I will say that I am really happy that we did buy the Uppland sofas. The Uppland sofas definitely feel a lot more sturdier than the Ektorp couch. I hope that with its new better quality materials that the Uppland couch will last a lot longer than the Ektorp couch did. It definitely does seem like a total upgrade from the Ektorp couch. My kids even call it the Ektorp 2.0. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful. Comment below with how you feel about Ikea discontinuing the Ektorp series, and how do you feel about their new series, the Uppland?